If you're ever in need of an idea for your next YouTube video, I don't care what kind of content you produce, YouTube has just added something to the YouTube studio for all of us for free that I think is, I'm just going to go ahead and say it, a game changer in terms of coming up with ideas. Let me jump into the studio. I'm going to show you how to find this really cool tool and how to use it. Okay, so in your YouTube studio, you want to go all the way over to the left and click on Analytics. Now, when you do, it'll take you to this page and it defaults to Overview, but I want you to go all the way over to this tab right here that says Inspiration. Now, it used to say Research. This is where, when YouTube rolled out the Research, I think it's gotten way better. They keep tweaking it and they've rebranded it Inspiration, which to me is perfect. Now, from what I understand, YouTube is pulling ideas from what my viewers watch or even what people who like my type of content are watching. So yours may look very, very different, so don't worry about that. But here's some things you'll see. New videos to inspire you. If I click on Show All, look at this. It gives me other videos. So I might say, ooh, I like this. I've done some stuff on the Pocket 3 or YouTube Studio. So that's one way you can get some inspired ideas. Now, scrolling on down, you'll see other things that are related to videos I'm also making or have talked about before. Like I talk about video editing. I talk about the iPhone. I talk about Final Cut Pro X or Final Cut Pro. And even within there, it's giving you other ideas. So if you click here, check this out. These are other videos about video editing that could also be ideas for me. So now check this one out. Searches related to video, small YouTube studio setup. If I click that, it opens another screen. Here's some other video ideas and even similar ideas. Now, this is what they've added that is really cool, but we're going to come back to that in just a second. And if I like this idea, I can heart it and I can save it for later. So I want to go back to the cool new feature that I think is really cool. So you can actually search ideas here, or you can go, so like I'm going to choose this YouTube camera setup. And right now it's already telling me there's some interest here, but check this out, create outline. This is what I wanted to come back to. If I do this, look what happens. Boom. It's using AI to actually come up with ideas. So right now it's come up with, it looks like 5 different videos. One on camera gear, one on lighting, one on overhead rig setup, which I've done, one on product shots, and one on thumbnails, editing, and tips. And what I love about this, it's giving you actually the bullet points, the outline. So like right here, overhead rig setup. If I look at that one, boom stand, friction arm, small camera, halo ring light. This is a great way to jumpstart your ideas, some inspiration, and then you could do any of these. I mean, heck, this could be a 5-part series. Each one of these could be a video within there. So you can see how you can start using this. Then if you want it, you just copy outline and you can take it into whatever you use. Now you can also type anything in here. So let's type in Final Cut Pro for beginners and let's just see what it comes up with. Now notice even from that search bar, it gives me other ideas. Like here's the top 10 Final Cut Pro tips for beginners. So I could even click on that and create an outline, but I'm going to click on this and see what it gives me. Look at that. How to get Final Cut Pro, how to set it up, how to edit videos in Final Cut Pro, how to export videos in Final Cut Pro, tips and tricks for using Final Cut Pro. And within each one of these, it gives you kind of the bullet points you could talk on. And this is huge. Again, I can copy that, take it into Apple Notes, which is what I use. And from this, I could have a series of videos. Now, remember the inspiration tab, it's free for everybody. Doesn't matter how big or small your channel is, you get it. You can dive in there. And what I've seen over time, the ideas will change as well. So grab it and see how you can use it for your channel. If you like this, let me know down in the comments and consider subscribing too. I'm Kevin. Thank you so much for watching.